Hey, Saspreneurs, welcome to day 29 of our 30-day high-level mastery series, where we've been looking at one simple implementation tactic that you can implement straight away in your business. So today we're going to look at the power of collaboration over competition to scale faster. As you know from the saying, if you want to go faster, go alone. But if you want to go farther, then you have to go as a team. So the reason I talk about this is because there's a lot of people who have that scarcity mindset, and they are small for a reason. They're where they are for a reason. And if you look at people who really spread their wings and go high and far, is because they love to collaborate and they have an abundance mindset. So recently I've launched a new SaaS called Capture, which is basically a brand to help networkers and entrepreneurs grow with the power of collaboration. So the first offer that we have launched is a virtual summit. So virtual summit is nothing but a multi-speaker virtual conference where every speaker, gets to speak about their own industry and niche. So we bring non-competing industries that can collaborate and win. And now we're looking at the cohort speakers that have really networked and formed a very strong bond among themselves, and they are trying to explore possibilities to collaborate beyond the virtual summit. So there's absolute power in collaborating over competing. So today I want you to look at the businesses that don't compete with your services. Like for me, marketing agencies are a great referral. You will not believe how many clients that I've signed after my Saspreneur Sydney event. Like people who are from the high level world, but who cannot do the strategy, who don't want to do the high level implementation. So I've signed so many clients. Imagine if I went with an attitude saying, oh, they have a high level agency. Why would they come and work with me? Because not everyone wants to do everything, right? People love staying in their lane and doing their job. People with abundance mindset, obviously, but people who have that very narrow mindset, and they want to do everything by themselves, it is a hard, long game for them to scale. So today, I want you to identify such complementing businesses that can value add to you, bring you leads, and your services can value add to their clients. So there are some businesses that we barter our services. For example, a photographer and I, we barter our services. So he actually films me when I do events, when I go attend events, and my team basically does social media for him. So we barter our services, we combine our efforts, and we're launching some offers together. So definitely there's a power in collaboration, and that's how you scale very quickly. And that's been my strategy too. So today I want you to identify such referral partners and collaborators with who you can go really far and achieve your goals. You can collapse time, and you can basically quantum leap. And if you want to be a speaker in one of my virtual summits, reach out to me and I'll send you the summits that are available and open for you to apply. All right. I'll see you all tomorrow for the last and final video. We're almost there. I'm super excited.